Today's Arsenal transfer update focuses on the club's latest confirmed business, the search for further additions ahead of the new Premier League season, and several reported developments involving potential arrivals and departures as Mikel Arteta and sporting director Andrea Berta continue shaping the squad during the summer transfer window. Arsenal have completed the permanent signing of Piero Hincapié from Bayer Leverkusen. The defender has become the club's first confirmed senior arrival of the current summer window after Arsenal activated the option to make his stay permanent following his previous spell with the club. Multiple reports placed the transfer fee at around £34.5 million, while the move has now been officially completed. Hincapié adds another versatile option across the defensive line as Arsenal prepare to defend their Premier League title while competing again in the UEFA Champions League. Arsenal have also confirmed the departures of Jakub Kiwior and Karl Hein. Kiwior has completed a permanent transfer to FC Porto, while goalkeeper Hein has joined Werder Bremen on a permanent deal after previously spending time with the Bundesliga side. Those departures reduce Arsenal's defensive depth, but also create room within the squad as the club continues to reshape its options during the transfer window. Attention is now turning toward midfield, where Bruno Guimarães continues to be heavily linked with a move from Newcastle United. According to multiple reports, Arsenal remain interested in the Brazil international, although Newcastle have not indicated that they are willing to sell. Reports suggest an earlier approach was rejected, while further discussions could depend on Newcastle's position later in the transfer window. Neither club has officially confirmed negotiations, and no agreement has been announced. Another player receiving significant attention is Bradley Barcola of Paris Saint-Germain. Reports suggest Arsenal admire the French winger as they continue evaluating attacking reinforcements. However, there has been no official indication that Paris Saint-Germain are prepared to sell, and several clubs are reportedly monitoring the situation. At this stage, the story remains at the level of reported interest rather than advanced negotiations. Arsenal are also being linked with highly rated midfielder Ayyoub Bouaddi of Lille OSC. According to multiple reports, Arsenal have opened talks regarding the teenager, who has continued to enhance his reputation with his performances. Lille have publicly acknowledged that only a small number of clubs would be capable of financing such a transfer, although the French club have not confirmed any agreement with Arsenal. The situation remains one to watch as discussions continue across Europe during the transfer window. Reports on Monday have also linked Arsenal with young forward Christian Kofane. Multiple reports claim Arsenal have made contact regarding the player and are monitoring his availability, although no formal agreement has been confirmed. As with several of Arsenal's reported targets, the club have not commented publicly on the speculation, and the player's future remains unresolved. Outgoing business may not yet be complete either. Reports suggest Leandro Trossard is attracting interest from Besiktas JK. Multiple reports indicate the Turkish club are attempting to complete a deal for the Belgium international, although Arsenal have not officially confirmed an agreement and Trossard remains an Arsenal player at the time of reporting. Should a transfer be completed, Arsenal could move further into the market for additional attacking options before the transfer window closes. With the summer transfer window still open, Arsenal's only confirmed senior signing remains Piero Hincapié, while Jakub Kiwior and Karl Hein have departed permanently. Reports continue to link the club with Bruno Guimarães, Bradley Barcola, Ayyoub Bouaddi and Christian Kofane, while Leandro Trossard's future remains the subject of transfer speculation. Supporters will now be watching closely for any official announcements as Arsenal continue preparations for the new Premier League and UEFA Champions League campaigns.